Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Here's a quick DIY to remove paint from clothing. Here's a jacket that has had paint. My husband likes to paint, or he does some painting for our rental properties, and occasionally he'll have his good clothes on and he gets paint on them. So today we're going to show you how to remove paint from your clothing with a simple DIY project. Stay tuned. So basically you take some rubbing alcohol and a towel just to help you with the process, and you need an old toothbrush.
And just so you know, this paint has actually been on this vest for the last 2 years. My favorite vest. I stopped wearing it because of this.
And he's taking the toothbrush with the rubbing alcohol, and as you can see, voila, magically it is disappearing. So no need to get rid of old clothing with paint on it. You can simply utilize this process and get rid of paint. Gone. Voila. And just in case you don't believe him, he's going to try it on something else. Do that one right there. You get that one there. As you can see, the paint is there. It requires a little manpower here with scrubbing. Gone. Rubbing alcohol is a solution provider. So you can actually have things around your house that you can utilize DIY to get rid of old stains. Thanks for tuning in. If you've ever tried this before, please feel free to share some other tactics that you've used rubbing alcohol with and some other DIY projects below. Thanks for watching.